start.
Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We will learn about the working principle of a printer. At present, we are now using a laser printer. You know about the history of printers? That is, from dot matrix to inkjet to laser printer. As you know, laser printing is an electrostatic digital printing process. It repeatedly passes a laser beam back and forth over a negatively charged cylinder called a drum to define a differentially charged image. Electric charges you might have learnt about from physicist. Let's meet that guy. Hey there, what's your name?
I'm Percy, the Bandicoot.
Okay Percy, did you know about the electric charge?
Yeah, from the concepts of electricity.
Now, can you explain how the laser printer works?
Okay, in terms of electric charges used in printing, which transforms the image to paper. You know, the charge is denoted by Q. The particles are very small compared to the thickness of human hair and animal's fur. The particle is therefore 10 times as small.
Okay, tell me how the beam hits the photosensitive drum?
Inside the laser printer, a device which narrows a beam of particles or waves called a collimator, then the laser emits from a collimator. Then the laser beam hits through a mirror reflex, and it goes through an OPC drum. The image obtained removes the negative charge wherever the light from the laser hits it. The paper passed through a laser printer called the feeder. Above the paper called a toner hopper, that attracts positively charged particles. The drum that rotates in that direction to let the paper reach into the output that receives the positively charged toner particles. Between two narrow rotating drums when paper passed through, the narrow drums are called ceramic fusing element that melts the toner at a heat temperature on the paper that exits the laser printer. Thus, the image is ready on a paper.
Yeah, so a lot of rollers inside transfers the paper to the image output. The roller inside the cartridge called its toner cartridge.
Okay, I forgot your name.
Ben Tennyson.
Thanks for explaining us, Ben.
Okay, so that is how we have discussed about working principle of a laser printer. Like, comment, and subscribe now.